When uncrating your KS multi-head, aside from your table boxes, you will also have 5 other boxes that contain hoops and accessories for your machine. The first 2 boxes are your inner frame parts. These contain jacket back hoops for running larger designs. Next, you have your accessory box, which contains your SWF warranty and report book. You have your leg pads and your leveling bolts for leveling your machine. You also have a jug of oil and a tub of grease for additional service on your machine. And you have a toolbox which contains extra accessories and parts and tools for your machine. Next, we have the cap frame box. This contains extra cap frames for running more hats, and it has a cap gauge for hooping your hats before you place them on the machine. The last box is your round frame hoops for running left chest designs. These are a little bit smaller for your smaller designs.